Hello everyone, welcome to Assistant Apothecary, which is a segment of the Just Dabney brand. Although I hate calling it a brand, I'm really just a random girl online that's making a bunch of content, and some of the content is related to one another, so I create segments for it. So this is, I guess you can say, the Assistant Apothecary on the Just Dabney platform, or from the Just Dabney girl. And so everything related to Assistant Apothecary is about helping people to grow, elevate, ascend, heal, both spiritually, mentally, physically, and emotionally. And so I'll be bringing certain things into your awareness, things that you can do to elevate in all areas of your life in the way that you want to do it. So there's no major rules here. I'm just bringing things into your awareness. And one of the first things I want to talk about, and I'll be going into this in more detail, so this won't be the only video, is herbs. Herbs are amazing. They can be used to not only just heal the body physically or emotionally or mentally, but they can also assist you spiritually if you want to raise the vibration or have attract certain things to you, especially if you're working with magic or anything like that. But it can also help set the vibration of your home. For example, what I have here is my maintenance tea, and one of the ingredients is lemon balm. And so I love lemon balm. It's one of my favorite herbs, and I actually have the actual plant in dried form throughout the home because that scent is now creating a vibration that just makes the home smell so good. And so, but the main reason I use lemon balm is in this tea blend that I made a year or two ago to support my respiratory and immune health, but it's also relaxing, and that's where the lemon balm comes in. And so this is a base tea, and I swear by it. It's very effective. People have tried it, love it, and so I absolutely swear by it. I'll probably go more in depth in the future on this tea, but this is just you seeing me prepare it for myself. But if you're preparing for other people, you want to make sure you wear gloves and you have a clean environment, like squeaky clean. Don't be having your animals around and stuff like that when you're preparing tea for somebody. So it's very good, and so I love it. And what you see here is another tea blend that I came up with on the fly one day because I wanted something that was spicy, but that was also going to help me to concentrate, but in a relaxed way. So I just needed something that would be useful when I'm working, but sometimes I get very fidgety and I get very fidgety and I make myself nervous and anxious sometimes when I work and I'm trying to really focus on something. And so this tea, what I noticed when I first took it was the immediate effects of calmness, but maintaining focus as well. So it's not like I was so calm that I wanted to go to sleep, but I was calm enough to where I could work and not get all fidgety and anxious and just make myself stressed for no reason. So it's really for people who are like me, who are like that. But this is a great tea anyways. It tastes good. I'm still working on the proportions of the tea, so when I do finish and get this tea down to a science to where it tastes amazing, I will definitely share. But so I just wanted to, talk to you all, have a little herb chat and chat about this new segment of this platform that you can find on Instagram at Assistant Apothecary, or of course here on YouTube. And so thank you for listening and being here, and I ask that you subscribe and share and like.